So how y'all doing? Welcome to the channel. My name's Todd Lanford. A little bit about me. I recently had a job as a training coordinator type person. So what I would do is I train people. Everybody I hired in, they go through a 90-day training program with me, and I train everybody. Now with the whole COVID thing going on, we ain't really hiring, so I'm about to step down from that position, go work back out on the floor. But I kind of wanted to start a YouTube channel to help teach people eventually. One of the things I like to do is woodworking. So I've been doing it for about a year now, just around the house. So I got a few tools here and there from some projects around the house. Nothing much, nothing super fancy. And then I got a little workshop area that is really dirty back there, so gonna get that cleaned up. But my idea for this is to start off with just kind of video and everything as far as my orders. I started up a business recently called Red Fox Custom Designs. Me and my wife's going to be working with that. She works on some little things up in the house in a crafting area, and I do the bigger projects or get her the little wood things she needs. So with me starting that, I put myself out there, started actually getting a few jobs coming in. So I'm about to start my first job with that name and start selling my product. So I'm going to walk y'all through that and see how it goes and just see what it's like in a couple of years. Look back on this video and laugh.